First off, we have to start off with the makeup. Now the makeup is pretty simple. What I am basically doing is some pale foundation, some eyeliner, and filling in my eyebrows. So now that I have my foundation on, I will start on filling in my eyebrows, some black eyeshadow, and a tulle, and just brushing my eyebrows out and filling them in. So now that I have my eyebrows filled in, I am going to move on to the eyeliner, which is the hardest part for me. So I am just grabbing my e.l.f. felt tip eyeliner, and I'm giving myself a wing. I know my eyeliner is like not perfect at all, but I'm not good. This is the best I could do. So to complete the look, I am adding red contacts. Now that I have my contacts in, we can put the full cosplay on. We are going to start off with my wig. Now this wig is a cheap wig, and it doesn't look so great, but this was like one of the first cosplays I've ever done, and I'm still pretty proud of myself. It was a red and black Spirit Halloween wig, and what I did is I just styled it and added some streaks of blonde to replicate Yami Yugi's hair. Next, I am going to add my Millennium Puzzle. Now, this Millennium Puzzle I actually made a long time ago. It's made out of wood, fully made out of wood, metal, and wood filler. So basically, I carved out these pieces by hand, so each side is different. And this is actually a real chain, and I just love this Millennium Puzzle. Now, I do have another Millennium Puzzle. This is it. So this is the officially licensed plush Yu-Gi-Oh! Millennium Puzzle. I do wear it sometimes, like if I'm going out and about and doing a casual Yami Yugi, I'll put like a casual Yami Yugi t-shirt on and this to go. So for size comparison, this is the plush and this is the one I made. Oh yeah, I'm pretty deep into Yu-Gi-Oh! As you guys can tell. My black tank top and my blue pants. Next thing to add is the arm cuffs. These arm cuffs I also made by hand. They're a different style. I have like a rocker Yami style. So I had these two pieces of whatever this is, and then I took some t-shirt fabric and I just tied them together. So they slip over my arms like so. Now, I did make a neck piece, but I'm still kind of like iffy about it. So it's like pretty, you know, crappy, but... And of course, what Yami Yugi cosplay would be without a dual disc of my own. I also have the 3 Egyptian God cards, limited edition, to go along with my cosplay. And funny story about this dual disc, I actually only got it for $1. Like, if you guys don't know, dual discs are hard to find and hard to buy. They range from like $100 and up. Well, I got mine for $1 at a garage sale, and it was literally in a toy bin, and I was like, oh my god, the holy grail, the dual disc. So they literally sold it to me for $1, and I am just so happy to have this along with my cosplay to complete it and really make me look like Yami Yugi. So this is my suit, and if you go farther down, we have the belts. Look, but I don't like wearing it that much because it's just hard to get the belts right, and my belts just do not work with me, and it just doesn't work. But that is the full Yami Yugi suit. And then of course I just add my dual disc and I'm all set. This cosplay really means a lot to me because even if it's not as good, it's one of the first cosplays I always wanted to do, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Was what I got into cosplaying for. I just have this deep love and passion for Yu-Gi-Oh! The card game. I was just really happy that I'm able to do the cosplay finally because. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my Yami Yugi cosplay. I have new vids every Thursday, so make sure to check those out, subscribe, and like for more. And if you guys want to see photos of this cosplay, I'll put links in the description below to my Instagram, DeviantArt, and Facebook. I love you guys, and I'll see you next video.
Jaden, this is going to be super special, awesome. I can't wait to see your strength. What? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Jaden, I don't think you know who you're dealing with. Well, allow me to fill you in. I'm 19 conceited. In fact, all of my opponents could swear that I cheated. Sure, sometimes Yugi and I swap places, but who cares?